Today we're making this video to see what could possibly happen when I turn on 3 air humidifiers at the same time. Let's see. First one. Second one. Third one. Woo! Oh my god. Imagine this madness. Oh, it's getting colder and colder here. Woo! Wow. This is crazy. Okay, let's get this closer and closer so to have a closer look of what's happening now. See the fog? Okay. When I hold only 2 of them, this is what happens. Imagine if I hold the third one. Here we go. Now it's hard for me to take the video while holding those. I'm holding 3 air humidifiers at the same time. This is crazy. See, this is crazy. Like the tests. And that was it for today.